just don't like the idea of this little dozer. I mean, I'm slipping that track real bad. But Todd said he wanted gravel out of here, so I'm doing the best I can. This little dozer was designed to push dirt, gravel, not solid ice. Whoa! Dang it. Oh man, it's done. I knew it. Gosh, dang it. Oh, get out of the way. Hey, you know what? This is not a game. This is not a game. I just destroyed a $60,000 piece of machinery. I'm not playing any games. Just back off and leave me alone. We're done, Thurber. That's it.
What happened?
I told you I can't take a dozer to failure like that. It's done. I blew a seal.
Stop, right there. Come here, buddy.
We're not gonna get to 100. We can't get to it. No, stop.
Hey, calm down, Dave.
Seal went out, Todd. I was babying as best I can. We're done.
We'll figure out how to get that pay up there and run it, and we'll just try it. We'll see. Whatever we get, we get.
You know what?
If we get 90,
Go for it.
if we get 90,
Go
then
for
that's what it is.
You know, I said it was done. Good luck.
Hey, come here.
I think the season's over.
Dave, get back here.